Murdaugh's lawyers are giving their closing arguments today. Jurors heard from prosecutors yesterday after a visit to the scene where the former lawyer's wife and son were murdered. CBS News national correspondent Nikki Battiste is outside the courthouse in Walterboro, South Carolina, covering this case for us. Nikki, good morning.
Good morning. Prosecutors delivered closing arguments for about 4 hours yesterday. Jurors seemed to pay close attention, though two appeared to close their eyes at least once during the lengthy proceedings. This comes with the end of this trial on the horizon, nearly 6 weeks before it began.
On behalf of the state of South Carolina, I ask you to return a verdict of guilty.
In fiery closing arguments, prosecutors painted Alex Murdaugh as a killer who murdered his wife and son to avoid confronting what they called a descending storm of past wrongs, and as a dishonest man who used his decades of legal expertise to cover his tracks.
He lies convincingly and easily.
In gripping testimony last week, Murdaugh admitted to a pattern of lying about his addiction to opioids, years of embezzlement, his presence at the scene on the night of the murders, and a botched suicide attempt in their wake.
There is only one person who had the motive, who had the means, who had the opportunity to commit these crimes.
In a rare move, jurors visited the crime scene on Murdaugh's sprawling hunting estate before closing arguments began. Bullet holes were still visible at the dog kennels where Paul and Maggie Murdaugh's bodies were found.
This is official that they're dead?
Yes, sir. That's what it looks like.
Investigators say 2 guns were used in the murders. The defense argues that means there were 2 shooters. Prosecutors contend that's exactly what Murdaugh wanted people to think.
This is him. This is Alex, the prosecutor, the lawyer, and he's thinking through this. He's thought through this. He's going to use 2 guns because it's going to confuse people that perhaps there were 2 shooters.
In closing, the state begged jurors not to be fooled by Murdaugh.
And he fooled Maggie and Paul, too. And they paid for it with their lives.
After the defense delivers its closing arguments today, the prosecution will have one more opportunity to respond before the jury begins its deliberations. If Alex Murdaugh is not convicted of murder, he could face life in prison for the financial crimes he admitted to during this trial. Vladimir.
So here's the thing, Nikki. The prosecution's case is kind of circumstantial. So what does the defense need to prove then during these closing arguments?
The one thing the defense needs to prove is doubt. And I suspect that in their closing argument today, they will focus on several things. Number one, neither of the murder weapons has ever been recovered. Number two, there are no eyewitnesses. And like you said, this is a highly circumstantial case. So they're just going to focus on creating any doubt that they can. I suspect, as they have with the witnesses during testimony, they'll also try to say this investigation was sloppy. Anne-Marie and Vlad?
So this case, as you know, Nikki, has been highly publicized. There's even a Netflix documentary. As it comes to a close, what have you noticed about the buzz around the courthouse?
Well, we were just chatting with all these people lined up. You may be able to see behind me, waiting to get into the courtroom today. 2 women we spoke with left Atlanta last night at 8 p.m., got here at 2 in the morning. They're front of the line since 2 in the morning. They said they didn't sleep, grabbed some coffee at Waffle House, and here they are. They said they did not want to miss this, that they felt this was an historic trial. There have been people lined up out here for days. Another woman we spoke with, she's here. This is her 6th day here. A lot of them wanted to see Alex Murdaugh testify. When the word got out that he would take the stand, everyone came here. Vladimir.
People with their free time.
I know.
Holy smokes.
All right, Nikki, thank you very much. Appreciate it.